Good morning, boomers. It's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Kaboom! Thank you for tuning in. Shout out to the metamaniacs and those that are still standing in this bloodbath. It has been a bloodbath all year, even though we've seen a little bit of green finally in the past 30 days. We've seen some nice gains with Ether, Bitcoin, and some others. It's finally some greenery, but today it seems like the altcoins have ran into some resistance along with Bitcoin, Ether. It looks like we're topping off there around 24,000 on the ETH, 24,000 on the BTC, and then Ether topping off around 2,000. Was it yesterday or the day before? Are people going to be taking profits here? Have we kind of ran out of steam? It seems like Dogecoin is the only one that's really booming. Doge and Shiba have made moves, but specifically Dogecoin today is doing great. Dogecoin is doing great. It's up 11% today. So shout out to the memers. You know I'm not crazy about meme coins at all, but that's what's going on. Let me run a little thumbnail video placeholder that I just whipped up over there on Canva. I know it's somewhere around here. Turn off these coins, and it should be this one, right? Boom. There we go. Champagne Crypto live. Kaboom. Drop a comment in the chat. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Dogecoin's making gains. The altcoins have ran into some of the resistance. It's red on the field right now. Blood red. And there's only some green there on Doge. And who else is the winner today? Doge, Chili, Steppin'. Monero up 1%, but nothing crazy. Let me show you my screen, or share my screen with you, and then I'll do the display capture. Should be above this one, so boom, there it is. And you can see Doge. I had ran a search here, and it doesn't really say. Shiba rallies 26% the past 2 days. Dogecoin daily price goes up despite losses in bigger Dogecoin. Let me see this on Benzinga. What are they saying here? Dogecoin gains intact Tuesday morning, even as major cryptos decline. Meme coins trading volumes drop nearly 41%. Millionaire investor share portfolios rise after Doge shoots up 20% in a month. And you got this Doge. The 24-hour trading volume for Doge dropped 40%. To 888 million at press time. So I mean, it dropped. So it must have gone wild. Doge relative strength index stood at 65 according to TradingView. It looks like some bearishness, but why is Doge moving? It doesn't really talk about it. Crypto, where gains of 3 months get wiped out in 3 minutes. Yeah, I mean, listen, I've been saying this basically this whole month while we've been going green, that I'm not entirely convinced. I don't think that we're like out in the clear here. I think this is just a little market correction, a little pump here, a little relief rally, but I'm not expecting anything wild. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not expecting us to go even to 40K or even 50K or anything like that. It's going to be some time before. Let me close this Benzinga thing. This is way too many pop-ups. And shout out to the metamaniacs. Drop me a comment there. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let me run CoinDesk and see what else is going on. But yeah, all of a sudden things just got bearish, and then you just got me. That's one thing I've noticed. Let's talk about a pattern here. When the meme coins are the ones that are leading the charge, that's not a good sign. That's a sign to me that things in the greater market are slowing down. When you don't got quality coins leading the charge, it's red. Now, we've had Ether as a quality coin leading this charge, in my opinion, this entire month. But it seems like it's starting to slow down this week. Let's see if it picks back up. But we're about a month away from this merger, and I would say we maybe have another week or two of pump for Ether before people start selling off into the strength, if things are really going to do well. I don't think it's going to pump up till the day. I think it's going to pump like up to like a week or two before the merge, and then it'll start selling off. I think so. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it pumps up to the day, or, you know, well, maybe if it starts selling off about 2 weeks before the merge, and then it pumps again if the merge is successful for a few days, and then another sell off. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Let me know what you think about this little Champagne Crypto live thumbnail that just whipped up there on Canva. I just pulled up Canva and I'm like, oh, they got little video things here too. Let me see that. Boom, boom, boom. Doing research there on Amazon online arbitrage. Basically using this. I bought a little software. It was like, what is it? Like $15 a month or something. And it allows you to check out analytics on all Amazon listings, so you can see how much that product is selling, how many sellers there are, what their inventory is. Everything's out there. It's basically like like a blockchain explorer, and then you can do research and find that product elsewhere and relist it there on Amazon, and perhaps make gains. Also looking into wholesaling or whatnot. And once I get a little bit more information upon that, I'll probably share those videos over here. Do some videos on that. Not share those videos. There is no videos right now, but I'm saying I'll probably make some. But yeah, it's been sleepy. The chat is sleepy today. No one's really out there batting on the crypto fields. You guys have abandoned the war zone. As soon as there's a little blood red, is there even any listeners out there? Can anybody hear me? Let me check out. Yeah, we got a couple guys out there. Yeah, shout out to the main. Kaboom to that. So it's just blood red. Kind of, I would say it's resistance. I wouldn't say it's a sell-off. We're still there at 23K on BTC. Obviously, way above 20,000. But, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I would say, if you bought these dips under 20,000 and you don't want to hold for the mid to long term, this is a place to take profits, I would say. The markets have been rallying for the past 30 days. I can see that other people probably will be doing that with Ether included. I don't know how much more Ether is going to pump. I mean, is it going to go to 3,000? Maybe. I don't know. To be honest with you. But we will see. Drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Make sure you hit the gym. I pulled up early and I did some shoulder presses today. Overhead shoulder press. Did some lateral raises. And just worked out overall shoulders today. Felt good. Felt pretty good. Now, I just dropped a question in the Discord earlier regarding Jewel. We were talking about it. I went over there to DeFi Kingdom's Jewel to unlock the Jewel that supposedly should have been unlocked in June or July. But I ended up going to their Discord and I found a comment. Let me read it to you guys because I have a bunch of locked Jewel, and I think there's some people that watch the channel that have locked Jewel back when we were mining Jewel last year. So I went to claim, assuming I'm like, oh, maybe there's it's claimable now, because I remember June or July being the date where the unlock were supposed to begin linearly over a course of a year. But it turns out, now let me pull up my Discord because I just copied and pasted the response. It turns out that, and you can see here, this is what I found on from someone on the DeFi Kingdom's Discord. This is the quote. The unlock schedule is entirely dependent on the emission rates, which are derived from the epochs of the blockchain the locked assets are on. When Harmony went tits up and started slowing the F down for literally no reason other than it was shit, it already caused a delay in the start of the unlock schedule because it's taking longer to complete the emission schedule. So, yes, it's exactly that. Harmony did slow down. There was an attack on the bridge. I don't even think the bridge was able to recover since. And it slowed down the entire blockchain. So the emission schedule for the locked Jewel is dependent directly on the epochs of the Harmony blockchain. And since Harmony slowed down and they still haven't hit whatever epoch they need to hit before the unlock begins. So let's say the unlock's supposed to begin at epoch 50. Well, we haven't made it there yet. because the blockchain slowed down. These are things that are aside from DeFi Kingdoms. This is just the overall Harmony blockchain that apparently people are not happy with. And they don't even have a bridge, the last time I checked, directly back to Ether. So it appears like the strategy here will be to unlock the jewel and bridge it over to the Avalanche chain, to AVAX. And then from AVAX, you'll be able to swap for whatever you need, whatever token you need, so that you can, or need or want, so that you could bridge it back to Ethereum if you want to cash out, or, you know, if you want to get back to the main chain. But there is no direct route from Harmony 1 to Ethereum right now that I know of. I don't know if they repaired the bridge, but as of last week when I checked, the bridge was still messed up, and it had been out of service since July, since the hack occurred, which is not a good look. I'll tell you that much. Not a good look at all. But yeah, that's what's going on. The schedule hasn't, the emission schedule hasn't begun yet, is my understanding, because the Harmony 1 blockchain is slow. Now, I've used the Harmony 1 blockchain today, and, you know, I did some transactions, and it's working. But again, I don't think the bridge is up and ready to bridge from Harmony back to Ethereum. I bet you it's ready to go from Ethereum to Harmony, though. I wouldn't be surprised. But the road back to cold hard fiat is through Ether. And, you know, you got to go through AVAX now in order to do that, is my understanding. So you can use multi-chain XYZ. Multichain.xyz is a bridge service. You can use that to bridge over from Harmony to AVAX. And then you can swap in AVAX over there on Trader Joe or on Pangolin. And you can then bridge using multi-chain XYZ again, I think, back to Ether. Not I think. I'm pretty sure that that's all right. So yeah, guys, kind of sleepy today, but that's what the update is with Jewel, with Doge. We don't know why specifically it's booming, but it's moving. And as I said before, once the meme coins are leading the charge, it's an indication to me that the overall rally may be over. This little rally, this relief rally that we had these past 30 days, it seems like it may be coming to a completion. I don't know. But again, I do see more reason for things to trade sideways and or downwards than I see for things to go up. Let me see what someone's saying here. That's not a good look for Harmony. I'll just leave it on AVAX. Yeah, but the thing is, with me at least, and some other people that have locked Jewel, the locked Jewel is on the Harmony chain, on the DeFi Kingdoms game on the Harmony chain. So as it unlocks, in order to cash out, if you want, you're going to have to bridge to AVAX and ultimately to Ether if you want to completely cash it all out. If you want, or if not, just wait around. It seems like there is some sort of a arbitrage opportunity between Jewel on Harmony and Jewel on AVAX, perhaps. I haven't looked at it, but there is a price disparity right now, you know, and I don't know to whose advantage that is or isn't, but there is a disparity between the chains because of this liquidity problem. And ultimately, you know, it's a shame, because I don't believe it to be DeFi Kingdom's fault, because, you know, they have the Crystal Veil network that's supported by AVAX, I believe. There's a kind of a subnet of AVAX, and that's still working fine. And I mean, even the Harmony side is working fine. The problem is with the actual Harmony blockchain, you know. And yeah, Harmony kind of fumbled the ball there, you know. Harmony fumbled the ball. The only real thing that was popping on Harmony was DeFi Kingdoms, and they were smart by not just remaining solely on Harmony. They started expanding into AVAX, and they made their own chain, the DFK chain, which again I believe is supported directly through AVAX. And ultimately, I think that they're going to launch something on Phantom. I heard that's what they wanted to do, because Harmony is not the look. It's not. It's not the look. They've had several problems even before this bridge was compromised. They had the RPC nose falling out of sync and whatnot. It was a mess. Honestly, it was. So, I liked Harmony, but I didn't really. It was broken a lot. I'm not saying they're bad guys or anything. It's just that it wasn't running. It's still not running at 100% if the bridge is not up and running. That's not good. So, drop a comment. Let me know what's shaking and baking. Shout out to Guys Life and the other silent lurkers that are still here deep in the foxholes of the blockchain battlefield trenches. It's been a bloodbath out there. The crypto space, whew, it's a boring one. I'm not going to lie. But we'll continue to hodl for the long term. I mean, Ether and BTC are here to stay. Now, who else will be here to stay? I really don't know. I do like the Ether alternatives and the other layers, the Polygons, the AVAXs, the Phantoms. I think Cardano has a lot of promises as well. We've talked about them. I like Binance. I like the Atom chain Cosmos. But, what I think will be here for sure is BTC and ETH. So that's what we're going to hold. And then we can speculate on other things. But I don't know how long. I don't know what the long-term trajectory is for them. Was wondering about the market if it's going to stop here. ETH 2K could be it, but kind of expected to see 3K. Maybe that's the whole point. Everyone's bullish again, so figures we could tank from here. That's kind of the point I was trying to make. It looks like we've run into some resistance here, and the market seems to be losing some steam. I don't think that ETH is going to go all the way to 3K right now. I mean, it's still possible. I'm not hating. I hope it does. But if you're looking to take gains, take something off the table, and if you're in the green, if you're looking to take profits, this may be a place. Are you into Algorand? I've talked about it, and I know that they're supported by MIT, and they have ties to the Fed and whatnot. So, but no, I don't have it. I'm not really into that many coins right now. It's just Bitcoin, ETH. I have some Binance, and a little bit of Phantom, Nomadic, just a little bit of those. But I'm gonna get into the altcoins more when I feel like the market has really changed its trend. And we haven't changed trends. Yeah, we have a little relief rally here. Bitcoin closer to 25K, but again, I'm not all the way convinced. We've been red all year, except this month where we finally went green, but maybe we ran out of steam. Shout out to Always New. Welcome back. But hey, maybe by Friday we're changing our tune and we're booming again. Who knows? Crypto, anything is possible. But my gut is telling me that we're going to have to trade sideways for a lot longer before the trend changes. Now, another thing that's in the back of my mind is that things maybe won't get bearish till after the midterm elections. Maybe they're trying to hold it and buy, and the Fed is trying to buy back as much assets as possible, and they're trying to hold the markets up. And then, because who's buying? Who's really making all the buys in the legacy system? I would say is the banks that are just buying back with a bunch of fake funds that they just printed themselves. But maybe they stop buying back once the elections take place, and they won't ramp it up till the next cycle. Who knows? Shout out Satoshi student. Kaboom. But yeah, something to consider, guys. If you've been looking to take some profits, this may be the place. Did you hear about Dogecoin? No, I'm trying to find out what exactly happened with Doge. Why is it booming? Why is Dogecoin booming? I know Shiba did well this week, and now Doge is doing well, but what is exactly happening with Doge? Doge is the leader today. Maybe you can let us know. I ran a little search there, but it's not clear as to why. Fact is that most money is still out. So boom, we could just move stealth rally screws everyone over. Yeah, listen, everything's on the table, and if we continue to rally, then my confidence will increase, and I'm sure that we'll just lean into the altcoins. Because guys, if we're really gonna boom, we gotta go back like to 40, 50,000. So let me see us go over 30K. Closer to 35. Doge chain. Oh, okay, okay. Doge chain. Okay, so it looks like Dogecoin is going to do their own chain. Okay. It's a trend that we've been seeing. You know, we've seen a few people do that. DeFi Kingdoms, Tomb is doing their own chain. Tomb Finance, part of the Phantom ecosystem, and Doge chain. There's a few of them. They're doing their little mini chains. Doge EVM, Doge chain built by co-founder QuickSwap. Oh, by QuickSwap. All right, QuickSwap has to do with the QuickSwap from Polygon Matic. So that's cool. I mean, some news there. All right. More people are going to be launching their chains. I see that. You know, like their own dedicated chains. Okay, so Doge EVM Doge chain. Okay, that makes sense now. Why Doge is booming today. Thanks a lot, Sir Crypto. Thank you for letting us know. Because I did a quick search and I said, oh, what's going on here? And it was just like, oh, it's doing good. Shiba's doing well, but it didn't really say anything about the new chain. Awesome. I'm glad we got that confirmed. You can bridge from Dogecoin to Doge chain. So I'm assuming that the gas fees will be paid in Dogecoin. That's what I'm assuming. And that the validators of the Doge chain will be paid Dogecoin rewards. So what's this mean? That Doge chain is not is moving to proof of stake, or is this Doge chain still a proof of work chain? That's interesting. I'm interested to see what type of DApps they launch over there. Maybe maybe that's the new degen move. Maybe they have a couple degen farms over there, a couple shit farms, some DeFi and stuff. I have a video out briefly reviewing Doge chain. All right, yeah, guys, check out Sir Crypto. He's got a video about Doge chain. Yeah, I don't know much about it. You know, I'm finding out about it now because I ran a little search there on Doge and it wasn't specific. So it makes sense now as to why. So let's keep an eye on it. And I'm sure if they have any degen farms or whatever, they're going to be listed on VFAT. And that's where all the degens are. VFAT tools. If they're not there already. Not yet. Not yet. They got everybody. Metis, Emerald, Moonbeam, Telos, DFK, Domina, Evmos, EVMOS. I've been seeing them a lot. Just one project there listed though. I'm showing this one right here. There it is. They'll list them here if they get any projects. All right, guys. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and tune it down. What's up, George Brown? I see you. So a recap: we got Dogecoin booming because they're launching their own Doge chain. Doge chain booming because they're launching their own Doge chain. We got Sir Crypto giving us the news here in the chat. He said he ran a video about it, so go check him out. And always new, let us know over here. You could bridge from Doge to Doge chain. And that's what's going on. Shout out to Always New and Sir Crypto for letting us know. Shout out to George Brown, Satoshi students in the box. You guys pulled up late, but we got a few guys over here. And that's what it is, guys. We'll continue to give you the good crypto word. We're here every single day. Tap in. I got the Discord links down below. I got the links to all the exchanges. Make sure you have accounts with every exchange. Don't leave your coins on the exchange. Just use the exchange to do what you got to do, whether it's buy or sell, but remove it from the exchange. Like if you buy, remove it from the exchange. Or if you're going to sell, don't just leave it hanging out there. You know, make sure you don't leave your funds there. On BNB Smart Chain, there's game beta will launch soon. Could Magic Craft? Did you hear about that, champ? No, I haven't been hearing about any real like little new games or anything like that. BNB Smart Chain, there's a game beta will launch called Magic Craft. I encourage you guys, if you have any leads like that, drop them in the Discord. The link is free. Everything's free to join. You just drop the links in the Discord. That way I can check them out too, and I can talk about them in the live stream. Because I haven't heard about that. We'll keep that in mind. Maybe you'll link us there in the Discord. I'm gonna go ahead and keep the live stream short today and proceed with my day. Not even too short. We went on 27 minutes. It's average about 30 minutes every day. So.